How has a Chinese drone maker managed to dominate the global market even after being blacklisted by the US? The United States has been increasingly targeting Chinese high-tech companies since 2016. Despite facing sanctions and pressure, two Chinese technology companies have remained resilient. One of them is Huawei, which nearly collapsed but has since recovered. The other is DJI, the drone giant. DJI recently faced a US court ruling on April 21, 2023, where it was ordered to pay $279 million for infringing on American company Textron's patents. However, DJI chose to confront the ruling instead of complying, stating, "I won't pay the money." Let's explore how DJI has maintained its position and what the future holds for the company. From humble beginnings to drone market dominance. Despite the US's efforts to support other companies to enter the drone market, DJI remains strong and even more powerful. The company's success story began with its founder, Frank Wang, a Chinese entrepreneur who has been compared to Steve Jobs. Wang Dao's childhood passion for model aircraft led him to create DJI's first prototype in 2006 during his graduate studies at the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. With the support of friends and funding of 2 million Hong Kong dollars, DJI's journey to success began. DJI was founded in Shenzhen, China, but its early days were challenging. To save money, the company operated in a rundown warehouse. When job candidates saw the small workshop, many left without even interviewing. In the beginning, Wang Tao was the only one at DJI who understood drone technology. To overcome technical challenges, he worked over 80 hours a week, even placing a small bed next to his desk. However, Wang Dao's hard work drove some employees away. Some even sold technical information to competitors and posted stolen company assets online. This period was dark for DJI, and Wang Tao questioned if starting the business was a mistake. In 2008, Lisa Xiang joined DJI, bringing millions of dollars in funding and a team of experts. With her support, DJI launched its first product, the XP 3.1, in 2009. This drone's hovering flight technology gained recognition, and DJI received orders from Chinese state-owned enterprises. Despite the easy money, Wang Tao believed the earnings were meaningless. He shifted focus to consumer-grade products, leading to the idea of combining aircraft and cameras. This mindset led to DJI's success in aerial photography. Before DJI, aerial photography was expensive and complex. DJI revolutionized the industry, making it accessible to everyone. Today, DJI dominates the drone market, thanks to Wang Dao's perseverance and innovative thinking. Before DJI, aerial photography was mainly for wealthy enthusiasts. Drones were incredibly expensive, costing hundreds of thousands of yuan, making them unattainable for most people. However, in 2013, DJI changed the game with the release of the Phantom 1. This drone was easy to assemble and use, making aerial filming accessible to the public at an affordable price. DJI continued to innovate, releasing a new product every year with superior technology and competitive prices. This strategy helped DJI dominate the Chinese market and expand globally. Wang Dao, DJI's founder, had the foresight to ensure all components, from software to hardware, were made in China. This decision allowed DJI to maintain control of its intellectual property and avoid reliance on other countries. DJI's battle against US sanctions and patent lawsuits. Despite facing US sanctions for 8 years, DJI has grown stronger. When the US attempted to disguise tariff hikes to suppress DJI, Wang Dao expressed his frustration, stating he was tired of being treated as a second-class citizen. He hoped that DJI's products would make Americans recognize their value. Wang Tao's bold move to increase prices by 13% in response to US tariffs reflects DJI's confidence in its technology and capabilities. This confidence is rooted in DJI's belief in its own independent technology. The lawsuit between DJI and Textron, a conglomerate primarily focused on defense-related industries, revolves around 2 patents. Textron sought to sell these patents to DJI in 2019, but DJI believed it had already developed its own technology and declined the offer. In 2021, Textron sued DJI for patent infringement. seeking $367 million in compensation. A federal jury ruled in favor of Textron, ordering DJI to pay $279 million. DJI, however, strongly protested the judgment, stating that its products do not use Textron's technology and that the two companies operate in different sectors, Textron in military aircraft and DJI in civilian drones. Based on the available information, DJI appears to have a valid case. The technologies of DJI and Textron are fundamentally different, with Textron focusing on military aircraft and DJI on civilian drones. DJI's automatic hovering technology differs significantly from Textron's pilot-operated systems, further supporting DJI's claim of innocence in this lawsuit. The controversy surrounding Textron's lawsuit against DJI. DJI's frustration with the lawsuit stems from several factors. Firstly, DJI's technology allows for automatic hovering simply by operating the remote controller, which differs from Textron's pilot-operated systems. Secondly, DJI claims that Textron's patents are questionable due to the timeline of their development. For example, Textron filed the patent for aircraft automatic hovering control in July 2011, and it was approved in October 2015. However, DJI publicly disclosed the use of similar technology in their XP3 0.1 flight control system as early as 2009, 2 years before Textron filed their patent application. Thirdly, DJI argues that Textron's patents lack innovation and effectiveness. DJI believes that the patents do not offer any significant advancements in technology and are not truly innovative. This suggests that Textron's patents may not be valid grounds for legal action against DJI or other companies using similar technology. Patents do not offer any significant advancements in technology and are not truly innovative. This suggests that Textron's patents may not be valid grounds for legal action against DJI or other companies using similar technology. DJI claims that Textron's patents are based on research articles written by former engineers from Bell Corporation, rather than ready-to-use technologies. These technologies have also been widely discussed in academic journals, in both China and the United States, suggesting that they were already existing prior to the patent applications, rendering the patents invalid. DJI also suggests that Textron may have initiated the lawsuit as part of a patent trap, a tactic used to obtain patents related to others' technologies and then use them for litigation or compensation claims to hinder competitors and gain unfair advantages. Furthermore, Textron may have taken advantage of anti-China sentiment in the United States to influence the jury. During the trial, Textron emphasized DJI's Chinese origin and irrelevant information, such as DJI being included in the U.S. export control blacklist. This manipulation could have influenced the jury's perspective and led to a favorable ruling for Textron. How the drone giant defied U.S. sanctions and thrived. DJI has faced U.S. sanctions since 2016, with the U.S. military banning the use of DJI drones in 2017. However, the military later secretly purchased 35 DJI drones due to their competitive pricing and performance. DJI appears to fear U.S. sanctions the least among Chinese technology companies, showing a strong resolve to deal with them. Since 2016, the United States has been trying to suppress DJI, but its efforts have backfired. In 2019, the U.S. blacklisted DJI for trade controls, which should have raised tariffs by 15%. However, DJI cleverly raised its prices by 13%, offsetting the tariffs and actually increasing its sales. Before the ban, DJI had a 72% market share in the US, which skyrocketed to 85% after the ban. Globally, its market share increased to 75%, and its market value soared by $160 billion. Thanks for watching. What are your thoughts on DJI's dominance in the drone market, despite facing restrictions? Do you think DJI will continue to thrive in the future? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on technology and innovation.